Today in crypto. ETH broke above $1,200 for the first time in almost 3 years, extending its weekly gains to 62%. Bullish fervor surrounding Ethereum, ETH, intensified on Wednesday, as the second-largest cryptocurrency broke above $1,200 for the first time in 3 years. The gains were largely driven by a confluence of fundamental factors, including Bitcoin's parabolic rally, the anticipation of ETH futures contracts and a surging DeFi sector. Ether's value peaked at $1,223.84 on Bitstamp, its highest since January 2018, just before the market topped. At press time, ETH was up 8% and trading just above $1,210. The cryptocurrency is up more than 60% over the past week, bringing its total market cap to $135 billion. At the current pace, Ethereum looks poised to smash its previous record high of $1,432.88, possibly in the next few days. As 2021 ramps up, Bitcoin's gravitational pull on the broader crypto market has intensified. The flagship cryptocurrency has just peaked north of $37,150 and is continuing to climb. Over the past month, Bitcoin has rallied almost 90% on the back of growing institutional interest and a supply squeeze limiting the available supply. Ether and other digital assets have benefited from Bitcoin's leadership pace. In fact, there's some evidence to suggest that institutional investors are eyeing ETH as the Bitcoin trade becomes crowded with players with deeper pockets. CME Group has also identified growing institutional interest in Ethereum and has announced plans to launch a new ETH futures product next month. Beginning February 8, traders will have the opportunity to bet on Ethereum via regulated exchanges. The new futures product, referred to as the CME CF Ether reference rate, will provide traders with more efficient exposure to the digital asset, enabling wider price discovery and, possibly, higher adoption within institutional circles. While the DeFi craze appears to have settled down following last summer's historic highs, the ecosystem is growing in lockstep with the broader market. As of Wednesday, virtually every major DeFi coin in the top 20 had reported double-digit weekly gains, some even exceeding the explosive price growth of Ethereum. Since many DeFi projects are built on Ethereum, the subclass has a positive impact on the ETH price. According to Coinmetrics, the DeFi boom could fuel Ethereum's growth over the long term. Industry data also reveal a substantial increase in total value locked, or TVL, in DeFi projects. At last check, nearly $21.7 billion had been locked into the ecosystem, the highest on record. The Redditor attempted to transfer a wallet to a new computer without confirming the password to the private keys was accessible. A Redditor has issued a warning to overconfident hodlers after losing the password to their crypto wallet by not acting cautiously enough. A Bitcoiner with the username Honor posted they had lost access to 2.6 Bitcoin, BTC, roughly $96,400 at the time of publication, while attempting to transfer a wallet to a new computer purchased over the holidays. The user claimed to have formatted the drive of their old system without double-checking whether the password manager still contained the password needed to access the private keys. "I go to my password manager to grab it and it's not there," said Honor. No mention of a BTC password anywhere to be found. "I spend the next 30 minutes rechecking and rechecking, but it's not there." The Redditor admits the mistake is 100% my fault because they did not confirm the files could be decrypted before wiping the disk. Honor theorizes that the password was copied to the password manager, but not automatically saved. Many Reddit users were sympathetic to Honor's plight, reacting with stories of their own crypto mistakes. Redditor NotMadement1 said he had lost a much smaller amount than that in a similar fashion and was mad at himself for weeks. Others stepped up with advice to avoid similar accidents in the future. "The standard now is to use a hardware wallet and write down the seed on paper plus on a metal plate," said Bjman22. "The standard is not to encrypt your seed words in a computer file for very good reasons. Crypto mistakes are unfortunately fairly common. Last year, Gold bug and Bitcoin critic Peter Schiff said he had lost access to his crypto holdings after mistaking the PIN of his wallet for his password. Just before the holidays, a Chainlink user accidentally sent $50,000 and linked to a smart contract which did not support the token. However, he was able to recoup 20% of his losses after the crypto community sent $11,000 through an Aave donation page. The price of Cardano, ADA, rose more than 100% in the past week as it overtook Bitcoin Cash, BCH, to become the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. There are two major factors behind ADA's strong upsurge throughout the past several weeks. First, most major cryptocurrencies saw large rallies following BTC's uptrend to $36,400, and Cardano has some important network upgrades lined up in 2021. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. While extreme swings continue to rock Bitcoin, the price of the world's largest crypto asset has reached another all-time high. The cryptocurrency increased in value by approximately 8% to climb to around $37,254, surpassing the previous high record experienced on January 3 when it was trading at $36,190 in the late afternoon, in Eastern Standard Time, GMT-5. On Monday, January 4, Bitcoin had dropped its price by as much as 17%, but its bull run appears far from over. Several factors have been identified for contributing to the increase of Bitcoin's value, suggesting that it may be difficult to pinpoint one particular reason that can serve to explain the cryptocurrency's latest volatility. Some traders have identified JP Morgan Chase & Company's prediction of long-term Bitcoin price reaching as much as $146,000 in value as the cause of the recent price rise. However, others have pointed out that FOMO, fear of missing out, may be the cause of the record rally. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the U.S., stated that it was witnessing connectivity issues on both its mobile app and website following Bitcoin's ascent to $37,000. Vijay Iyer, head of business development at Luno Cryptocurrency Exchange in Singapore, said, "Clear bull market, and we're not getting 30% to 40% drops like in 2017. The market is more mature with bigger buyers. Keep in mind though that we're in a parabolic phase and they do top out." Matt Long, head of distribution and prime products at OSL crypto brokerage firm in Hong Kong, said that while the latest price swings are part of the past boom and bust cycles, Bitcoin's ability to reverse its price fall so quickly this week indicates institutional investors are not abandoning the crypto space. Long said, Monday's dip was instructive as institutional investors used the opportunity to buy in. Institutional investment is firmly in the digital asset sector, and potentially accelerating. Likewise, Steve Ninnis, chief global market strategist at Axe, said, "The chase higher is back based on the notion that bigger Main Street investors are interested in building longer-term positions." Bitcoin is a hedge against market risks. Bitcoin offers a hedge against risks such as inflation and a weakening dollar in an economy thriving on monetary stimulus. The crypto's dizzying rally has attracted interest among Wall Street giants, with several institutions seeking to capitalize on the impressive returns being offered by the digital asset. Many companies and prominent investors such as Stan Druckenmiller, Scott Minerd, Paul Tudor Jones, and others have begun allocating their funds into Bitcoins. The crypto market is being driven by institutional investors mainly from North America, China, Japan, and South Korea. Following its recent massive bull run since November last year, Bitcoin has risen to become the 8th largest asset in the world. With its market cap now above $650 billion, Bitcoin has overtaken Taiwan Semiconductor Company and Alibaba, NYSE, Baba Group holding to become the 8th largest asset in the world. According to data on AssetDash, the new development is less than a week after the digital asset dusted Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, NYSE, Berkshire, in total market cap. Meanwhile, if Bitcoin manages to maintain its momentum, it could displace two other massive global corporations in the next few days. Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, and Tencent are currently sitting on a market cap of approximately $696 billion and $734 billion, respectively. As of press time, Bitcoin was only a $46 billion shy of overtaking Tesla, a move that would require about 8% additional growth. Bitcoin has been steadily hitting new daily highs in the last few days. The reason for its recent bull run can be linked to the influx of hedge funds and institutional investors lately. There is a mass exodus of investors who are beginning to lose confidence in fiat currencies into crypto. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.